Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of this frontal installation video, and today I'll be showing you guys how to fill in some bald spots when you do an installation. So I have this pin and I have some strands that I cut out from the hair initially. So I just put it out from the lace and I'm going to just use it to like fill in all the bald spots so they can look really nice. So I'm not going to lie to you guys, ventilating on its own is another job. Like, it's very crazy and it's difficult to do. So I still don't believe I can actually do this, like filling bald spots with the ventilating pin. So it took me so many trials before I can actually do it now. So I can't do like a full closure or a frontal. So my specialty right now is just filling bald spots and move on. So kudos to everyone who actually does ventilating as an actual job. This thing is not easy. So once I'm done with the filling, I'm going to just get my hot comb and tame the hair backward. So once I'm done with the hot comb, I'm going to get the glue and then fill in the empty space before I then tie down the hair. So one more thing I want you guys to understand is when you put the glue now, you allow it clear just like you allowed it clear before you place the frontal on it. So before I do that, I'm going to get my hand dryer and just do warm air so that it can get a little bit tacky before I now press down and then tie. So this is what we look like. This lace is actually a regular lace and it's looking like this. So by the time I'm done patting and using my melt spray, trust me guys, it's going to look really nice. So now I'm doing the pat, so we're going for a C curve. By the way, this is a 13 by 4 frontal wig. So once I'm done doing the part, I'm going to get the wax stick and then apply it and get my hot comb.
I was looking out the door, always looking round for more.
So I'm going to spray a little amount of my melt spray in the container or in a container, and then get a brush and then tap it just as seen in the video. So when you're doing this, always tell the clients to take their head up so the thing doesn't run into the person's face, because once it does and you clean, once makeup touches that part, trust me, it's going to leave like white cast on the skin.
Go back to what we were. Know that I was stupid. I was but a fool then. Know that I was stupid. Blew it, loosen what we were. Started out the perfect way. Stayed in bed for rainy days. Didn't know it.
So as soon as I'm done with the melt spray on the lace, I'm going to get my band and then tie it down so it can melt into the skin.
But what we had was perfect. Couldn't see the signs until you had enough and said goodbye. Wish I could go back to where we started. Wish that I could find a way to say sorry that I let you go. Sorry that I got so cold. Wish I could go back to what we were. Oh, maybe somewhere down the line there's a chance to get it right. Say I'm not alone. Oh, maybe there's a place and time. Maybe there's a chance to find a way to come back home. Wish I could go back to.
So it's time to curl the hair. So I'm just going to do like some parts, then turn off the camera and then do it off camera. So but I have a very detailed video on how to curl a hair, so I'm going to leave one of them up there so you guys can go watch it and learn how to curl a hair perfectly.
What we were. Wish I could go back to what we were. Oh, I'm sorry that I let you go. Sorry that I got so cold. Wish I could go back to what we were. Know that I was stupid. I was but a fool then. Know that I was stupid, blew it, losing what we were. Know that I was stupid, I was but a fool then. Know that I was stupid, blew it, losing what we were. I was looking out the door, always looking round for more. Didn't know it, had everything I needed. Try to give me all the clues, hoping I would see the truth. Didn't know it, didn't know till we parted. Couldn't see the signs until you had enough.
And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on my channel? Don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.